Hey there, art enthusiasts. Ever been frustrated trying to make your bear drawings look more lifelike? I totally get it. Today, I'm going to show you some super simple shading techniques that will take your adorable bear drawings to the next level. Alright, so let's dive right in. Imagine this, you've got your cute bear drawn out, but it's looking kind of flat, right? That's because there's no shading to give it depth and dimension. But don't worry, I've got a solution for that. First off, think about where your light source is. This is crucial. Whether it's the sun or a lamp, knowing this will help you figure out where to add your shadows. Start by lightly sketching the areas that will be darker. For instance, under the bear's chin, behind its ears, and on the side opposite the light source. Now, grab a softer pencil or a shading tool. Gently blend the edges of those darker areas so they transition smoothly into the lighter parts of your bear. Remember, shading isn't about harsh lines. It's about creating a gradient that makes your bear look three-dimensional. Here's a nifty trick: use small, circular motions with your pencil to build up the shading gradually. This helps keep things even and gives your bear a fur-like texture. And don't be afraid to go back and darken the shadows a bit more if they're not popping enough. Also, pay attention to the highlights. These are the spots where the light hits directly. You can use an eraser to lift some graphite and make these areas stand out. Adding these little details can make a huge difference. By now, your bear should be looking a lot more dynamic and cuddly. It's amazing how a bit of shading can breathe life into your drawings, right? And there you have it. With these simple shading techniques, you'll be able to make your bear drawing stand out and look incredibly cute. So grab your pencils and start practicing. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks for watching and happy drawing.